Thank you very much. Well, as you know, Leader Pelosi stands with you. And while she couldn't be here today, she would be so inspired to see all of you here, particularly so many young people as the next generation come up to help our cause. So while she couldn't be here, she's asked me to bring to you her statement on Tibetan Uprising Day. On Tibetan Uprising Day, we honor the many brave Tibetans who have lost their lives fighting for their religious freedom and human rights. We rededicate ourselves to the liberty and fundamental dignity for the Tibetan people, to economic and political empowerment for all Tibetans, and a future of stability and democracy for Tibet. With the Chinese military presence growing in recent months and more desperate Tibetans subjecting themselves to self-immolations, the need for action, for a substantive dialogue with the Dalai Lama, for an end to violence and a commitment to peace is as urgent as ever. On this anniversary, we call on the Chinese government to cease its religious repression, allow access to the region by journalists and international observers, and release Tibetan political prisoners, including the 11th Panchen Lama, Gedun Chiki Nyingma, who was kidnapped as a young boy. The cause of Tibet continues to be a challenge to the conscience of the world. We must heed the guidance of His Holiness, the Dalai Lama, and we must not forget the people of Tibet and their ongoing struggle. Thank you very much.